This is a continuation of phytogeographical regions of India. Third one, Indus Plain. Third region is said to be Indus Plain. It includes Punjab, Rajasthan, Kutch, Delhi, this region. Uh, and some part of this plain is now in Pakistan. Uh, the climate of this zone is characterized by dry hot summer and dry cold winter. Rainfall is usually less than 70 centimeter, but in certain regions it is as low as 10 to 15 centimeter. The soil of a wide area except cultivated land is saline. Much of the land has become desert due to excessive dryness. Vegetation is mainly bushy and thorny. The species names it is as follows: Acacia, Prosopis, Salvadora, Ziziphus, Jujuba, Mangifera. That you can in the picture you can observe. Next region is Gangetic Plain. This is one of the richest vegetational zones in India. This zone covers flat land of the part of Delhi, whole of UP, Bihar, West Bengal, and also a part of Orissa. Rainfall is in this region is from 50 centimeter to 150 centimeter. The great part of the land is under cultivation. The common crop plants are wheat, barley, maize, sorghum, bajra, khajana, etc. In western part of UP, annual rainfall is 50 centimeter to 110 centimeter. Dry deciduous and shrubby forest are common in this part. Important plants of western part of the UP are Caparis, Saccharum, Acacia. The northwestern part of UP near Himalayan foothills, Dalbergia sisu, Acacia are most common plants. In eastern Gangetic Plain, the conditions are cold and wet. The annual rainfall 150 centimeter in West Bengal. In this part, evergreen forests are common. The central part of the annual rainfall is about 100 centimeter to 150 centimeter. The vegetation consists mainly deciduous trees. Forests are common. Caparis, Dalbergia, Acacia species are common. And mangrove vegetation near the coastal region, the uh, Rhizophora, Soneraceae, Acanthis, ilicifolius, these are the common plants we can find in the as a mangrove forest. Next is Central India. Next region is Central India, covers Madhya Pradesh, a part of Orissa, Gujarat, and Vindhya. In the in this slide, you can observe the area of the Central India. The Central India average rainfall per annum may be 100 to 100 centimeter. Some places are at the altitude of 500 to 700 meter from the sea level. Biotic disturbances are common in these botanical provinces, which have led to the development of the thorny vegetation in open areas. In this region, Tectona grandis, teak plant, is very common. The other trees are Terminalia, Bauhinia, mango, Philanthus, ficus. Among the shrubs, mimosa, desmodium, acacia, ziziphus are common. In the next region is said to be the Deccan Plateau. This region, the whole of the southern peninsular India, includes Satapura and southern part of the Godavari river. Average rainfall is in this region is 100 centimeter. It may be divided into following two subdivisions: Deccan Plateau and Coromandel Coast. The Deccan Plateau teak forests containing Diospyros, Acacia, Prosopis, Santalum album, Cedrela are common. On rocks, the dry regions, Caparis, Euphorbia, Philanthus are common. In Chota Nagpur Plateau, important species are Clematis barbaris and members of Anonaceae and Rosacea compositae are common. In Coromandel Coast, vegetation consists of largely some halophytic species. West coast. Next region is western coast of Malabar. This region is a small botanical province covering Cape Comorin to Gujarat and Western Ghats. This region of heavy rainfall. In this zone, four types of forests are common: tropical forest, mixed deciduous forest. In this altitude is about 1600 meter, and the temperate evergreen forest, this ranges from 1200 meter altitude. And the fourth one is mangrove vegetation. It is this type of four type of the vegetation you find in the western coastal Malabar. In tropical evergreen forest, the trees are tall, heavy, they have root buttresses. Important species are Cedrela, Dipterocarpus, Mangifera indica, Stercularia, Artocarpus. In this mixed deciduous forest, important plants are Terminalia, and in this next Assam region, this botanical province is very rich in vegetation and covers valley of Brahmaputra, Naga Hills and Manipur. This is the region of heaviest rainfall. Cherrapunji is one of the most rainiest places of the world, where annual rainfall often exceeds more than 1000 centimeter. Excessive wetness and high temperature in this zone are responsible for the development of dense forest. Broad-leaved tall evergreen angiosperms and some coniferous are common in the forest. Common plants occurring in this region: Ficus, Artocarpus, Michaelia, Champaka, Sterculia, and Ficus, Artocarpus, Michaelia, Champaka, Morus species are common. Besides these, bamboos, canes, climbers, and green bushes are also common, prominent plants in this northern forest of this region. Islands of Andaman and Nicobar. These Bay Islands represents elevated portions of the submarine mountains. Climate is humid in the coastal region. In Andaman, beech forest, evergreen forest, semi-evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and mangrove vegetation are of common occurrence. Rhizophora, Mimopsis, Calophyllum are common plants in mangrove vegetation. In the interior, evergreen forests of tall trees are common. Important species of trees are Calophyllum, Dipterocarpus, and etc. Like this, all the 9 zones of botanical regions are. Thank you.